Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday English Show. I'm Liam.
And I'm Mia. It's great to have you with us today.
Be honest. Have you ever been at an airport, heard an announcement in English, and thought, they're definitely not talking to me, right?
You're not alone. The airport is one of the most stressful places for English learners. Today we'll survive 3 danger zones. 1, check-in. 2, immigration. 3, gate changes and boarding. Short phrases. No fast English, no panic.
Please, I just want to get on the plane.
Next. Good morning. Passport and ticket, please.
Here's my passport and my ticket.
Great. Are you checking any bags today?
Checking? Like looking at them?
No. At the airport, check a bag means you give it to the airline. Say it with us. I'm checking 1 bag.
I'm checking 1 bag.
Perfect. Next question they always ask. Is there anything fragile or flammable?
Those words sound dangerous.
They are, but your answer is easy. Repeat. No, nothing fragile or flammable.
No, nothing fragile or flammable.
That sentence alone saves people a lot of stress. Quick check. Are you still with us? If yes, keep going. The next part is the scariest for most travelers. Next. Purpose of your visit?
I want to see New York. I like the buildings.
Business or pleasure?
Why does this feel like an interview?
This question is normal. They're asking work or holiday. Say this. I'm here on vacation.
I'm here on vacation.
Where will you be staying?
I'm staying at the Marriott Hotel for 1 week.
Perfect. You gave where and how long. That usually ends the questions. If this already feels easier than real airports, subscribe and travel with us every day.
Day 3 is coffee, much less scary. Mia, my flight says boarding, but my gate number disappeared. It says gate change.
This happens all the time. Just ask staff, like this. Say it slowly. Excuse me, could you tell me which gate the flight to London is boarding at?
Excuse me, which gate is the flight to London boarding at?
If they say, Gate B12, you answer, Thank you, I'll head there now.
I'll head there now. I don't feel like a robot traveler anymore.
Now, the most important sentence. If you don't understand something, don't say, What? Say this. I'm sorry, could you say that a bit slower, please? This sentence shows politeness, effort, confidence. Airport staff respond better immediately.
That sentence alone is worth this video.
Today's mission. The agent asks, window or aisle seat? Write your answer in the comments.
And send this to someone traveling soon.
Tomorrow, Coffee Shop English.
I definitely need a coffee after that.
Bye.